Today it's the 13th of April 2020, and it looks like heavy rain is coming soon. Look at this dark sky. There will be a thunderstorm soon. Now there are heavy winds coming, and soon it will be raining. Now it just started raining a little bit. I can smell the rain. Oh, that's cool. Now it's raining heavily. Wow. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, the nice view is gone now. Oh, and it will fuck up my camera. Oh, fuck, today it's doomsday. It's absolutely crazy. You see down there, a palm tree just collapsed, and there was a huge boom because the wires, the electricity broke down, and there was a fire before. It made boom, boom. Oh, it's not a lucky day. In Jomtien Beach, they will have to repair a lot of stuff. Can you see the palm tree who just fell? It's lying on the street. Oh, that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. Now there is a car coming. The car can still pass, but the palm tree is lying on the street. And the car still pass. Well, that's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. And maybe some more palm trees will collapse. Don't know. But at the moment there is no electricity. So that's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. And it's not over yet. Oh, fuck it! No, oh! Ah, that's too much, that's too much. When I go inside again, I will be blown away, sure. So finally the storm is over, and it was devastating. Knocked down palm trees, and at the moment there is no electricity supply, but they're about to fix that, and it'll be okay soon. Take care, and all the best to you.